The civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Maine, at 8:55 p.m. on Dec 28, 2023, effective until 8:55 p.m. Dec 29, 2023. The Saco police are issuing an Amber Alert for mother and child abduction from Saco, Maine at 11:30 am on December 28. 3-year-old Angie Roddendy, 2 feet 5 inches tall, 25 pound, with brown hair and brown eyes, last seen wearing pink dress and brown top, and her mother, 35-year-old Norma Roddendy Jimbick, 5 feet 11 inches tall, 170 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes, last seen wearing a green shirt, black pants and black jacket, forced into a white Ford Explorer with New York registration by male suspect. At 3:41 p.m. the vehicle crossed the tolls into New York State. If you have any information, please contact the Saco Police 207-284-4535.